So you've created a website, you get a lot of traffic, now you need to monetize it. But how? You want to try a couple of ad networks, ad exchanges, but which one is right for you? We're the answer to all of those questions. We'll help you generate more revenue with the same traffic you already get. We're the professionals. So let me tell you about our company. We are a consultancy company that specializes in ad operations consulting and ad operations training. And who would use our services? Well, our clients, our publishers, who have the want to monetize their inventory. So suppose you have a website and it has many unique visitors and you want to monetize the traffic. How can we help you?
Well, what usually happens is the following web publishers try to do that themselves. They get into a lot of trouble when they start searching for professionals like us to try to help them out. Some of the problems that can basically lead to bad ad server setup. For example, some use DFP, small business, or OpenX for their ad management needs. And they try to integrate ad networks into these ad searching systems. And then they don't understand exactly what's going on with all their earnings and the inventory. This is where we can put everything into place and make things work.
I think you would agree that it becomes a hassle when ad networks, ad exchanges talk about fill rate and eCPM and especially passback. Passback tag issues are really a hassle and confusing for web publishers. We can handle these kind of situations for you very easily.
Well, the first thing to do is to check the design and ad slot location within the website. There are some standards and some rules to follow that eventually bring more revenue. We'll change the setup or perhaps even start from scratch. Well, the second step would be to check the setup of the ad server, be that the DFP, small business, or OpenX, or any other ad server. We will fix it without any issues. Ad server, ad slot setup. Some publishers, they make a mess and then they don't really understand what's going on with their account, thus lose revenue. We would amend the setup or do a completely new setup in DFP or OpenX. The third step is to select the right ad network for a particular website. There are no good or bad ad networks or ad exchanges. However, publishers with little experience and even greatly experienced publishers can give into a good sales presentation. They can end up going for tests with some ad networks that are not relevant for their website, therefore losing missed revenue, a lot of man hours, which of course they have to pay their employees for doing these tests to these ad networks and ad exchanges. We will bring the relevant ad networks, negotiate with their salespeople on your behalf, run the tests, and show you the results after the implementation, followed up by the optimization.
Let's talk numbers. What can we do for a website that already earns $20,000 a month?
First of all, we try to work with web publishers that do not get their traffic by buying cheap traffic or buying from third world countries. With that said, we really prefer to work with local USA websites whose traffic is generated organically. We have clients that are used to making upwards of $20,000 a month. If they started working with us, they now make $32,000 a month. Our rates are only $2,500 a month. So 99.99% of the time, we pay for ourselves and make more money for the web publisher.
Do we need to be physically present in your client's web publisher's office to handle their ad operations? Well, we can travel nationwide and visit our clients, but most of the cases, we just handle the cases on the phone and via email. Do we also organize DFP training for publishers or individuals?
Well, we call ourselves DFP experts. We teach DFP small business, DFP legacy, and DFP premium upgraded as well as OpenX. Our training is designed for web publishers who just started to run DFP small businesses or DFP premier users who are still having issues with their ad servers and locations. And last but not least, we have special training courses designed for individuals who are just not IT specialists, but they want to get involved with online advertising and make a minimum of $55,000 a year.
Some of our students got jobs in well-known companies in America, such as New York Times, Fox News, etc. We are proud to help individuals with training and job placement.
Yes, we do. And moreover, we have more new people who are interested in learning DFP Premium version, which is well used in big web publisher companies. Now, does one have to be computer savvy to learn DFP ad operations? And why would one think of working in ad operations and online advertising?
One does not have to be computer savvy to work with DFP. Think about the first time you learned Microsoft Word. It seemed pretty daunting. Now it's probably pretty easy for you. Regarding why someone would want to work with operations, here are some of the realities. First of all, it's well paid. Second, AdOps is the ideal platform for just about any job in digital advertising. Lastly, I think major job security. Virtually everyone is hiring, and there aren't nearly enough qualified people. Last but not least, the industry is growing at an incredible pace and diversifying into new areas that all need ad op leaders. To finalize your range of opportunities, what are the major services that you provide? We provide the following services: consultation, revenue generation for web publishers, ad operations, ad trafficking, services for trafficking, DFP, OpenX, and ad server training.
I would like to thank all our clients for being with us all these years. Some of our clients get from 30 to 50% increase after our optimization. We can help your organization as well. Just pick up the phone and call 323-378-7697. Remember, every day you're missing revenue.